Okay, we are here at number 209 in Las Palmas. Try to slow down. I always walk so fast when I'm doing my videos. Okay, so off to the left, you've got this nice, big, spacious bathroom. Down the hall to another bedroom with lots of storage space. You've got this linen closet, and then we've got this closet. And a nice big bathroom. So the decorative pillows don't stay. This does not stay. I believe the photos on the wall stay. And we've got the laundry room with the washer and dryer. You will see this in your inspection report. But there's standing water underneath the water softener, and Bobby the inspector just said that hot water heater is relatively new. It's got all new copper pipes. It's got a new pan underneath it, but it's wet. You can tell it's rusted and it's wet, and that definitely needs to be looked at by a professional plumber. This wiring, or plumbing I should say, I'm saying wiring, sorry, is relatively new too. There's no leaks coming from any of this that Bobby could find, so we're not sure why the water is down here. If it's left over from the hot water heater exploding, we just aren't sure. But you can tell that there at one point was standing water in here. So out of everything that he found, that's definitely something we've got to have a plumber get in here and take a look at. So out here, the baseboard just a little swollen, but not bad. And the other side of that wall is over by the kitchen, and it was fine too. So it looked like it was all contained in that room. And then to the right of the entryway, you've got these bunk beds with a closet. And again, it's my understanding that these don't stay and the decorative pillows don't stay. And then again, there's the entryway. Nice closet. Off to the right, we'll go to the master bedroom and closet. I did find a hair dryer in that bottom drawer right there. The bathrooms are nice and big. And the shower's nice size too. Into the bedroom. A pretty decent sized closet, ironing board, iron. Not really sure what this is, and that says best way it feels like a mattress, a blow-up mattress. So that's probably, they probably go together. A little cloudy out today. Nice big walkout patio, accessible through the master. Then we've got the living room, fireplace. Carpet's in really good shape, except for where it got cut around the electrical. I don't know. Somebody cut that and didn't know what they were doing, is what it looks like to me. I'm not sure if that coffee pot stays. It's clean. Ready for company. This door handle's broken. It'll be in your report too. It opens still, but it could stand to be replaced. Great unit. Got lots of room for a family to come enjoy the weekend or a week or a month. Okay, I think that's about it.